and the rope. Early lead is taken by Bangge by the rail. It's Bangge in the lead, followed by Unica Champ, Len, Peace and Love, moving up by the rail, and Flying Hope, and bringing up the rear is Headline Chaser. Heading for the backstretch, it's Bangge in the lead by Alain Caniha, Peace and Love, running in second, and Len in third on the outside, and by the rail in fourth is Unica Champ. Into the backstretch is still Bangge by half a length, followed by Peace and Love on the outside in second. Len remains in third, and in fourth is Unica Champ by 3.5 lengths. Headline Chaser and Flying Hope. And nearing the far turn, it is still Bangge in the lead, followed by Peace and Love. Len on the outside, and closing in fourth is Unica Champ. Rounding the far turn, it is still Bangge in the lead. It's Bangge in the lead, and moving up now is Len, Peace and Love. Unica Champ moving up on the farther outside to take second. It is now Len in the lead. It's Len, followed by Unica Champ in second, Peace and Love, and Bangge, and here comes Headline Chaser. The last bend for home, it is still Len in the lead, followed by Unica Champ, and Headline Chaser on the farther outside. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Len in the lead, followed by Headline Chaser on the outside. Len, Headline Chaser now moving up on the outside to grab the lead. It is now Headline Chaser in the lead, and finally, it's Headline Chaser, Len, Unica Champ, Peace and Love, Bangge, and Flying Hope.
Ano yun? Kusa lang ng kabayo.
Galing ano, hila lang ng hila. Ano? To